So B2-180 call, and I'm gonna do not a shooting test, but I'm gonna shoot that new pair of eyeglasses I got today. See, still the tag. So this is the gun I'm using, my Wall R6E. Got the new red dot I got yesterday. I'll show you guys the red dot. There it is. So let's get started. I'm gonna set this down. You guys can't really see that, but I'm gonna move the box up for it. There you go. Can you guys see that? Hopefully you guys can, but I'm doing a shooting test. Semi-automatic first. Before I'm gonna clip up. Safety glasses on. Rock and roll. Oh, how'd you guys like that? Wow. Look at that. Just pop that right out, dude. So, thank you, YouTube, and bye.